What are hormones and why are they vital for our body? Well, hormones are chemical substances produced by specialized glands, known as endocrine glands. They play a crucial role in controlling and regulating the activities of certain cells and organs. Hormones essentially function as the body's messengers. They control numerous physiological functions and significantly contribute to our psychological health. They are paramount in maintaining balance within the body, a state known as homeostasis. But how do these hormones interact with our cells? The effects of hormones depend on their method of release. In some cases, a hormone will act on the cell that produced it, a process known as autocrine signaling. In paracrine signaling, the hormone acts on a nearby cell without entering the blood circulation. Some hormones are produced inside a cell and act within that same cell, a process known as intracrine signaling. Meanwhile, in endocrine signaling, the hormone acts on target cells once it is released from the respective gland into the bloodstream. There are different types of hormones that regulate various functions in the body. The two primary types are peptide hormones and steroid hormones. Peptide hormones are composed of amino acids and are soluble in water. Due to their structure, they cannot pass through the cell membrane, which contains a phospholipid bilayer that prevents fat-insoluble molecules from entering the cell. Insulin, produced by the pancreas, is a key example of a peptide hormone. Steroid hormones, on the other hand, are fat-soluble and can pass through a cell membrane. Sex hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone are examples of steroid hormones. The endocrine system is made up of various glands, each with its unique function. These glands are different from other glands in our body because they lack ducts. They include the hypothalamus, pineal, parathyroid, thymus, thyroid, adrenal, pituitary, pancreas, testes in men, and ovaries in women. Each of these glands produces specific hormones that contribute to the overall functioning and well-being of our bodies. In summary, hormones are chemical messengers essential for many physiological functions and psychological health. They are produced by the endocrine glands and can be classified into peptide hormones and steroid hormones. Each gland in the endocrine system has a unique role in the production and management of these vital substances. Understanding hormones and their functions is fundamental to understanding human health and well-being.